It has been a while since we've done a Mustang, and not just a Mustang, a classic Mustang. We were checking out a 1965 Ford Mustang that was actually recently restored. So this was brought up from all that dust, the rust, the car that used to be died and brought back to life, and it's sitting at our RPM garage waiting for me to film it. It has a 289 CI V8 engine and a 3-speed Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission. It's in a baby blue. I do like this blue a lot. I've never really seen a light blue Mustang, but I actually kind of like it. I'd probably give it a good 7. But my name is Alex. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. If you love Mustangs, love classic Mustangs, love American muscle cars, love old muscle cars, this is the perfect for you guys. And let's get on into it. But yeah, no, it has been a while. So I think the last Mustang we reviewed was I think it was a gray one. And I'll pop it up right here. And that was a long time ago. That was almost a year ago, which is crazy to think of. But no, we're back at it again. It's very simple. We got the polished front bumper, the Mustang badge, got the headlights. This is going to be a very small video, by the way. The 14-inch wheels with the Mustang hubcaps. Absolutely classic. This is all original, by the way, and that's all you need to know. You got the 260 badge right here. You got the red, white, blue French flag right here for you guys that don't know. I'm just joking. It's the American flag. But got the Mustang. You got the polished side mirrors, the polished frame around the window. You got the all polished, by the way. Polished handle right here. I got a little kind of polish. I'm not actually just not an air vent. Whatever this metal piece this is. We got the boot. So this is what it looks like, if you're wondering what it is. Pretty decent space. This is very good. You can put your golf gloves, your backpack, anything you really need. A human, a couple of kids. What? So fun fact right here, this is where you put your gas in. You have to unscrew it, and then bing, bada, boom. And then you got your polished rear bumper, and then, well, there's the exhaust. And then there's your exhaust right there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, kind of all rusted, but just clean it up and you'll be just fine. I know you can't see me, it's fine. And then like I said, there's your rear headlights, rear lights, and then your polished front bumper. I don't think we've done a 65 Mustang. We've done a couple other years, like a 66, 67, 69, I think. I don't remember. It's been a long time since we've actually done a Mustang, but we're back with a classic American muscle car right here. And before we get on with the inside, I need y'all to click that subscribe button so you guys don't miss any future content. All right, 3, 2, 1. Before we get on with the inside, I need y'all to subscribe so we can hit 100K subscribers by the end of this year. We were at 21,000. It's definitely possible, but it's gonna be hard. We're gonna hit it. That's my goal by the end of this year, is to hit 100K subscribers. And please hit the like button. And please click that notification bell so you guys get notified when a video comes out. I post every day, all different types of car content, reacts, car meets, vlog content, and all that stuff. So, and make sure you use code Alex or Thecrew on Dubby to get. It's a gaming energy drink company. Very good, very tasty, very healthy for you, and very delicious. And like I said, healthy. So Thecrew to get 30% off by the end of November 31st. So get it. It's actually really good for you. So yeah, and go check out my Twitch channel. I appreciate it. I do stream games. I stream basically every other day or when I have time. So now let's get on with the interior. All right, so you can kind of see me, but we got like a white tan. It's like a tan, but it's like a white on the inside. I do really love it. There you go. I'm a big fan of the old seating. They're so comfortable. Comfortability, 9 out of 10. Solid 9 out of 10. Maybe 9.5. This is what the seats used to look back in the day. They didn't have a headrest. The steering wheel was absolutely massive.
That's what she said.
It's legit bigger than people's moms.
Bruh.
It's insane. It's a 3-spoke steering wheel. It's kind of coming off, but that's just part of the Mustang, bro. You got the horn. Actually, I don't even think that's the horn. You got your blinkers right here. You got your speedometer up here. Let me make sure y'all can see it. You got your wipers, lighter. You got your brake right there, and then I don't know what that is because I can't turn on the car. I wish I could. I will. And then you got your fuel right here, and then you got your temperature right there. Then that's how you turn it on, and then your lighter, your igniter. And then your temperature controls right there, and then your radio. Yes, the radio looked that small. New generation, next generation. I know. Crazy, right? I'm part of Gen Z. We're not the sharpest tool in the shed. We got the automatic transmission right here, the 3-speed Cruise-O-Matic. And then you got your glove compartment right there. And then you got your seatbelts. I love these seatbelts. It's like the airplane seatbelts. I love it. And then, for you guys that don't know, well, mainly newer generation, we had roll-up headlights. Or not roll-up headlights, jeez, Alex. Roll-up windows. Yes, newer generation, we had roll-up windows. I know, surprising that no electric. It's very, very, very surprising. But honestly, I kind of miss it. They should low-key kind of bring it back. There's a reason why, but it's alright. You got your blinder, your back mirror, and wipers. That's really it. And then you got your back seating. Comfortability, 9.5. Back there, I'd probably give it like a 7. Because, well, the leg room is going to be a little smushed. But this is such a classic. Just go find a random street in Dallas, Texas, or wherever you live, and just drive. Like, this is such a cruise vehicle. I'd just take this thing on a cruise. Maybe on a good nice Sunday. Maybe on a Friday night. Go on a date to just drive. This is a lovely car. I love this car a lot. I'm not the biggest fan of classic cars, but I do love me a Mustang. I'm more of an Italian car guy. For you guys that know me. For you guys that don't know me, well, I am. But I have no hate to any Mustangs, especially classics. Onto the engine. So here's the engine. It took me a bit. I knew it was underneath the car. I just couldn't get it up. And then this was just, I don't know, pushing this back. I thought it was like one of those side maybe or something. There's just so many. I know it's just a push back. But yeah, here it is. We got like a nice blue. Got the battery. Got the 289 CI engine right there. What's your thoughts? Leave a comment below of the engine. And that's honestly really it for the engine. Nothing too special or any of that stuff. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's review. I know it was a simple review, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn that notification bell. What's your thought on this beautiful Mustang in the comments below, and have a blessed day.